Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song It Came Upon a Midnight Clear. As always, I'm going to play through the song for you first, and then afterwards I'm going to break it down and explain it for you in more detail, so make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song.
It came upon a midnight clear, that glorious song of old, from angels bending near the earth to touch their hearts of gold. Peace on earth, goodwill to men, from heaven's all gracious King. The world in solemn stillness lay to hear the angels sing. O ye beneath life's crushing load, whose forms are bending low, who toil along the climbing way with painful steps and slow. Look now, for glad and golden hours come swiftly on the wing. Oh, rest beside the weary way and hear the angels sing.
All right, so for this song we're going to be using quite a few chords. We have the G chord, and then we have the C add 9 chord, and we're going to be using this variation in exchange for the traditional C major. You could play it with a C major, but I'm using the C add 9 just to make that transition easier. We're just going from G, C add 9, then back to G. So using that C add 9 there, it just makes transitioning a lot easier, and it has that similarity between the G and the C that kind of make it fit nicely together. And then we have a few 7th chords. We have the A7, which is like this. We have D7. We have a B7. And we need to remember, for all of these chords, we're not using that low E string. So A7, we start on the A string. D7, we start on the D string. B7, we start on the A string. The only time we're actually going to use the E string is for the E minor chord and for the G chord. All the other chords are not going to be using that low E string, so what we can do is we can mute it with our thumb. We can let that thumb just kind of touch that low E string and mute it so it doesn't resonate while we're strumming those chords. For strumming, we're going to be using the swing pattern for this song, which is a nice, simple 3-beat strum pattern. So for this pattern, we're going to be alternating between low pitch and high pitch. So for beat 1 of each measure, we're going to pluck the root note of the chord. Okay, just one note, just the root note. So if I'm playing the G chord, then that root note is going to be that low E string. It's going to be that G note right there. Okay, so I want to pluck that string by itself for beat 1. And then for beat 2 and 3, I'm going to go higher in pitch, and I'm just going to strum maybe the bottom 4 strings or something like that. I'm probably not going to strum the low E string, and maybe not the A either. Again, it's not a hard set rule, but it's just something to create that variation from low pitch to high pitch. Now, some songs that use the swing pattern actually throw in an upstrum after beat 3, where it's something like, and we have an upstrum thrown in there. This song, I think it just sounds better just to exclude that upstrum and just to keep it even more simple, soft and simple. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.